Welcome. If you're looking to delete your Pinterest account using the mobile app in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you're ready for a digital detox or just want to tidy up your online presence, the process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. Let's walk through the updated steps together, so you can permanently remove your Pinterest account right from your phone. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to delete. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where you can see all your saved pins and boards. Next, look for the option called Account Management. You'll find this by tapping on your profile picture again, which will open a menu with different settings. Scroll through the options until you spot Account Management and tap on it. This section is where Pinterest stores all the important settings related to your account. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Delete Your Data and Account. Tap on this to start the deletion process. Pinterest will let you know what deleting your account means. Your profile, pins, and boards will be permanently removed, and you won't be able to get them back. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and confirm. Pinterest might ask you to confirm one more time, just to make sure you really want to say goodbye. Follow the on-screen prompts, and once you confirm, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Remember, if you change your mind, you usually have a short window to log back in and cancel the deletion. But after that, your account and all its data will be gone for good. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Pinterest account using the mobile app. Thanks for following along. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more step-by-step tutorials.